Hi everyone, I am Kaloy, and right now we are here at the Davao Oriental Provincial Hospital in the municipality of Manay, where it has been declared as ground zero of the 7.4 magnitude earthquake in the Mindanao region. Earlier this afternoon, we went to the LGU of Manay to do our assessment activities to check on the expressed needs of the people here in Manay.
Ginahanglan karon kanang tubig ug kanang mga pangligo kay ang agas manggod karon diri sa Manay wala gid siya ni gana.
Sa ngayon, yung aming immediate need ay yung mga medical supplies wherein yun yung ating pangangailangan para po tayo makapagbigay ng serbisyo sa ating mga pasyente na nangangailangan.
Manghinaot unta ko nga nay makatabang sa mua kay back to zero gyud mi karon. Mangandoy ko nga naantay makatabang nga makatukod mig bagong balay. Bisag unsa lang gyud kagamay basta naay mapuy anam.
We continue to seek for your prayers and support as we journey in the recovery of the people here in Davao region. Thank you so much everyone, and God bless you all.